P tag. In HTML, P tag is used to show paragraph. Paragraph tag starts with P and ends with /P. A paragraph always starts in a new line. A browser automatically adds some white space before and after paragraph. Here I have already write some basic tags of HTML that we have to write in every HTML program to create a web page, like HTML head, title, body, and here I have given paragraph as a title. So here between the title and /title I have given paragraph. In the body tag I had not write anything for now. So let's save this file and see how this will appear on the web page. So for that I am pressing on the file menu and then save. Here from the left side I will choose the location where I want to save this file. So I want to save on the desktop. So here I am clicking on the desktop and now I am writing the file name. I am giving file name p.html. So here it is p.html and save it. So here let's close this first and now let me drag into the center. Okay, now let's see how the output will look like. So double click on it and here you can see the title of web page is paragraph, because we write paragraph into the title tag and we have not write anything yet into the body tag. So this is the blank. Now let's open the notepad file to write into the body tag. So for that, here you can see this is the output file, that is Internet Explorer file. Now just once click on it and do right click. From the mouse do right click and here select open with notepad. So here you can see your notepad file has been opened. Now I want to write paragraph into the body tag. So for that I have already written one paragraph. So let's copy that paragraph over here. Let's minimize this first and here I am opening this file and here you can see I have written one paragraph. So I will press Ctrl A to select all the lines and Ctrl C for copy, and now from here I will select my notepad file and paste it over here. So here between the body tag I had pasted this paragraph. Now let's see how this paragraph will look like on the web page. For that I am pressing Ctrl S from the keyboard, that is save. Now let's see how it will look on the web page. For that here you can see this is the icon of refresh, or you can press F5 from the keyboard. So let's refresh this page to see the output. So I am pressing this refresh button and here you can see the output has been created. Now before moving to the P tag, let's divide this paragraph first so we can understand P tag very well. So let's divide this paragraph. Here I am dividing from the A, that is a book is like a best friend, and here I am just combine this line. Okay. So here you can see for dividing the paragraph I pressed enter. So here you can see there is a white space over here. So let's see this white space will appear on the web page or not. So let's press Ctrl S over here into the notepad file and now let's refresh this page. So let's press refresh button. Here you can see I am pressing refresh button but nothing is changing over here because I had not write anything for the paragraph tag. So let's write P tag for creating a paragraph. So into the angular bracket I am writing P. So here I had written P tag. So let's divide this paragraph again so we can differentiate the paragraph. So let's divide from the books over here. Let me set the alignment over here. So let's press backspace. Okay, you can see my paragraph is of the two lines, that is a book is like a best friend who will never walk away from you. This two line is a paragraph. Now let's see how it will look on the web page. So let's refresh this web page. So here, okay, I didn't save this. Let's save this first. So pressing Ctrl S over here and now let's refresh this page again. And here you can see a book is like a best friend who will never walk away from you is differentiated by the paragraph. Here you can see there is a white space over here. So it had made a paragraph. Here you can see my paragraph is start from a book is like a best friend who will never walk away from you. But the second paragraph, that is books are packed with knowledge, is on the same line. But into the notepad file, it has a white space over here because I had pressed enter over here. As you all know, P is a pair tag, so we have to close this tag. So we have to type /P. I want only this two line as a paragraph, so I will type /P over here. So I am writing /P. Now let's save this file and see how it will look. So let's save it, Ctrl S, and here I am pressing refresh button over here. So here you can see my paragraph has been separated. Here you can see that when I write P tag to the paragraph, it will make white space before and after the paragraph. The by default alignment of the paragraph is left to right. You can change the alignment of the paragraph using align attribute. So what is attribute? Let's learn about this first. Attribute. HTML attributes are special words used inside the opening tag to control the element's behavior. In short, it describes the property of the element. Any attribute has mainly two parameters, name and value. We will learn about the attribute in another video in detail. Here we use align as a name of the attribute and left, right, center and justify as a value of the attribute, and P is the element. Now let's move on to the web page. Here you can see all the alignment of the paragraph is left to right. Now if I want to change the alignment, I have to use align attribute. So always remember the attribute of any tag or any element should be written into the opening tag. So here the P is the opening tag. So for that I have to write P space align. Align is equal to, I want right to left, so I will write right into the double inverted comma. So now let's save it and see how it will look. So refresh this page. Here you can see the alignment of this paragraph is from right to left. Now let's see center alignment. For that let's write here P align is equal to into the double inverted comma right center. So here into the double inverted comma I am writing center. Here as you know paragraph is the pair tag, so I have to close it. So at the end I am typing /P. So let's save it again and let's refresh. Here you can see this is the center alignment. Let me divide this paragraph so you can see the center alignment proper. So I am separating this live over here. And now I am closing the P tag over here, and at the end I am remove this P tag. Now let's save it and see the output. So here I am refreshing this output. So here you can see this is the center alignment. Here you can see now better. The next line after closing the P tag will appear as the by default alignment, that is the left alignment, because I did not give any alignment to the next line. Here you can also give the justified alignment. That's all for today's video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get notification that I had uploaded the video. Happy learning. Bye bye.